ito grandmother. Babushka.
Babushka, which is grandmother. Without grandmother, we don't have mother, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this shape is called the babushka, grandmother. We have the,
So ano naman ang symbolize ng babushka?
ganun din po.
So symbolize ng
Grandmother po. Yes. So, ito, yung
ano ang pinakalaki naman ng ano ng ganyan?
ganun din po, red. Red color. Yeah. Tapos meron kami 15 pieces, yun yung babushka namin.
Kumbaga symbolize of life din na ano.
Like this, like po. Kaya po, yan yung concept ng matryoshka, kaya very popular yan. Kahit sa Russian restaurant, meron din talaga to. Salita nila yung
So ang pinaka number one na meaning ng ano yung pinaka main meaning ng
symbol of life.
symbol of life. Guys, symbol of life.